Right, I've got a piece of wood here, just cut here a bit, but I didn't do a good job, so still it was a bit attached. So now we did take two. Okay, seems I wasn't going back enough. See, it's nice and smooth. Shorter pieces, the table is great. It saves my back. I just wonder how exactly it will do if you have a very long piece of wood. You need all kinds of supports around here. Okay, let's see how long piece of wood you would handle that. This is a piece of wood didn't go so well with sawing, it was very twisted. So I tried to straighten it out. That didn't go to plan. As you can see, it's not tightening, it's just lifting up. Okay, now slowly, but it's not straight. So, imagine you have a long piece of wood and you want to cut the wood. You just leave it going. There goes the table, there goes the saw. And there's no support over here. So for long pieces of wood, it's not very handy. The saw on the table, then you're better off having it on the ground with just a little block as a spacer. Then you need one of those big professional tables that extend a few meters on either side, then it would work. But as it is now for something like this, it's just not doable. Because if I drop it, that's what happens. And to use the saw like that is impossible. It may be possible, but it is dangerous. So, you can see the back legs are in the air. It's just not doable. That's why I'll be probably removing it from the stand, put it on the ground. As I said, the stand is fine. You use it for small pieces of wood, or if you want to cut one piece of wood in half, then it's fine. But not if you just want to make like the end of a long piece of wood straight, and it's not going to work. Alright, hope you found this review helpful. And I hope it's helped you to make a decision Other than that, for now it still everything looks fine, it cuts nicely. We'll see how it is after a year of use, and then 2 years. Thanks for watching.